On how to add a payment method in Temu. How to add a payment method in Temu, step by step. Intro. Want to shop on Temu but don't know how to add a payment method? Let me show you the simple steps. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Open Payment Settings. Scroll down and select Payment Methods. Here you can manage all your saved payment options. Step 4. Add a payment method. Tap on Add New Payment Method. Now enter your credit card, debit card, or PayPal details carefully. Step 5. Save your payment. Once you've entered the details, tap Save. You can also set it as your default payment option for faster checkout. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can add a payment method in Temu and start shopping without any hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.